Question 14. Vicky counts the number of birds in her garden at 8 a.m. on each of 10 days. 5, 3, 3, 2, 0, 2, 4, 2, 4, 15. So on the first day she saw 5 birds. Second day she saw 3. On the third day she saw 3. On the fourth day she saw 2. On the fifth day she didn't see any. And on the 10th day she saw 15 birds. Write down the mode. The mode is the most common. So she saw 2 birds in her garden 3 times. She only saw 3 birds in her garden twice. Only 1 time she saw 5 birds, so therefore 2 is the most common. And that's worth 1 mark. Part B says work out the mean. The mean is where you add them all up and divide it by how many bits of data there are. So you have to add all these up and you should get 40, and you need to divide it by 10. So the mean is 4, and that's worth 2 marks. 1 for the method, for a clear intention of adding up these numbers, then dividing it by 10, and the second for an answer of 4. Vicky counts the number of birds in her garden at 5 p.m. on each of 20 days. She records the information in a frequency table. Part C. Work out the total number of birds Vicky records in the frequency table. So, if you understand this table, she saw no birds 3 times. That means, how many birds did she see in total? 0 times 3 is 0. She saw 1 bird 2 times. So that's 1 times 2, which is 2 birds in total. She saw 2 birds 3 different days, 3 times. So 2 times 3, she saw 6 birds in total. 3 birds she saw 4 times on 4 different days. So 3 times 4 is 12 birds that she's seen. She saw 4 birds 5 times. That means that's going to be 4 times 5, which is 20 birds. And 5 birds in the garden she only saw 3 times. So that's going to be 15 birds in total for that day, for these 3 days. So work out the total number of birds Vicky records in her frequency table. Well, we need to add up all of these numbers, and that brings us to 55 birds in total that she saw. And that's it for part C. That's worth 2 marks. 1 mark for evidence of at least 4 attempts to multiply number of birds by frequency, which would be done here. At least 4 of these are needed. And the second mark for the answer of 55. And that's it for question 14.